There's a lot that can go wrong when you need to get your product from here to there. Don't worry, we have you covered. At American Box, we go that extra mile, making the impossible possible. For over 40 years, we've been working with Kansas City businesses to make their lives just a bit easier. And it all starts with a passion for what we do and who we do it for. In our free consultations, we'll show you how we create better packaging, cut costs, reduce damage, and wow your customers with unique shapes and custom graphics to tell your brand's story. We can even store and manage your inventory for you, so you always have packaging when you need it. With American Box Company, you get all of that and phenomenal customer service, the kind that knows the answer before you even ask. Our goal is to be an impassioned partner working with you to build a relationship so that you can get back to working on your business. To get started, head over to amboxkc.com today.